Alright everyone, in this video, I just wanted to discuss yung mga bagong nangyari, mga karagdagang nangyari over the whole drama ng DITO over the weekend. What started off as a tweet that became a deleted tweet na nagkaroon ng matinding drama, sisihan, away, na naging something na inaddress ng PSE during the PSE Expo, albeit as a quote-unquote blind item, until soon after, may release na nga ng announcement that the SRO was being cancelled/deferred. No, regardless of, kayo nang bahala kung how you wanna see that, no? Cancellation or deferment. Now, magfo-focus tayo dun sa mga entities or dun sa mga institutions na involved dito sa drama na to. Diba? Kung paanong potentially na baka makasama sa kanila yung mga nangyari. Now, syempre, magsisimula tayo sa Udena/Dito. Kasi syempre, sila naman yung nagpasimuno nitong lahat eh. Diba? So they will be culprit number 1. Now, why it could be bad for Udena/Dito? Unang-una, this is the first time an SRO is cancelled after the offer period. Now, I could be wrong, no? Admittedly. And if may alam kayo na ibang SRO na na-cancel after na ng offer period, after na magbayad ng mga tao, please let me know in the comment section below. But from my research, wala talaga akong mahanap. At least not in recent memory, no? Baka nung dati pa, bago pa nag-merge yung Manila Stock Exchange, Makati Stock Exchange, whatever. But lately, walang ganitong pangyayari. Unprecedented siya. Siyempre, dahil unprecedented siya, a lot of investors, whether institutional or retail, were caught flat-footed din. Kasi hindi mo rin sure kung anong gagawin mo kasi nga unprecedented eh. Diba? So ngayon, ang kinahinatnan natin so far is halted ang trading ng DITO, and as of the recording of this video, wala pa pong time or date na binibigay kung kailan siya malilift. Alright? Kung kailan mag-resume yung trading niya. Next, the parent company didn't follow through on their promise to subscribe to all offer shares that remain unsubscribed. Now, that quote was taken directly from their prospectus, no? So, nagbigay sila ng salita na lahat ng shares na hindi na-subscribean, kukunin nila. Pero, hindi sila nag-follow through. Siyempre, again, bad faith. Diba? Nagbigay ka ng salita, nagbitaw ka ng salita, parang hindi ka man lang gumawa ng paraan para masiguro na magagawa nyo to, but instead, ang nangyari is yun nga, cancellation/deferment. Alright? It's a really, really, really bad look para sa Udena. Diba? At baka dahil dito, maapektuhan din yung mga ibang stocks like Chelsea, PNX, etc. under that particular umbrella. And then, it puts serious doubts that the company can compete with yung mga incumbents, meaning yung Globe and yung PLDT, no? Kasi, I was talking to some friends nga who used to work for PLDT. Sabi nila, yung ganitong klaseng negosyo talaga, kailangan kaya mo maglabas ng pera. Lagi kang gumagastos. So, for what is essentially a drop in the bucket for the amount of money that you need to keep putting in to grow your company, to make sure na happy yung mga subscribers mo, to make sure na nasasatisfy mo at nasaservisyohan mo yung customer base mo, then parang lumalabas lang na, okay, kung ganito, parang bad faith na nga, na-cancel, na-defer, whatever, paano ka magko-compete dun sa mga established na? Paano mo masasabi na, you are the quote-unquote third telco that people can rely on you? Diba? So overall, I don't know how the parent company is gonna come out of this unscathed. It's just mind-boggling yung nangyari sa akin. Sobrang kawawa po ng mga retail traders, mga smaller investors. Diba? Parang it just leaves a really, really bad taste in my mouth. And like I said in the last video, I do sympathize with you and I still am hoping na may magawang resolution para makabuti sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe, sa lahat ng mga naipit, and so on. Okay? Culprit number 2, China Bank. Okay? Bakit China Bank? Kasi sila yung underwriter eh. Why it could be bad for China Bank? Una, as the underwriter, China Bank had the responsibility, the obligation of taking up the shares that were left unsubscribed by the public and the parent company. Okay? Trabaho nila yan bilang underwriter eh. Pero, pinili na lang hindi gawin yon. Diba? Which leads to the conclusion or to the question na bakit sila unwilling or unable to do so? Diba? Lack of capital ba? Or were they simply counting on Udena's promise to take up the unsubscribed shares para di nila kailangan gawin yung responsibilidad nila, yung obligation nila? Kasi nga naman, kung Udena did what they said that they were gonna subscribe to yung mga unsubscribed na shares, kukunin nila, edi walang kaproblema si China Bank. Diba? Hindi sila maiipit to begin with. Hindi sila aabot do sa punto na kailangan sila yung kumuha ng unsubscribed shares, na kailangan sila yung mag-pick up ng slack. Umabot doon. Diba? Umabot doon, and here we are na pumalpak yung promise ng parent, pumalpak din yung promise ng underwriter. Now, I don't know about you, but ang pangit talaga ng reflection nito sa mga SROs overall for PSE. Kung pwede palang ganito, why should we entrust our hard-earned money to companies na pwede rin pala at the drop of the hat because of a clause inside the prospectus or whatever, ipo-pull out lang nila yung pinangako nila. Ipo-pull out lang nila or ika-cancel lang nila or i-defer lang nila yung SRO because hindi pabor sa kanila. Diba? Which leads us to culprit number 3, the Philippine Stock Exchange. Siyempre, di natin ito patatakasin. Amidst all of this, they basically are saying na galit sila, diba? Hindi sila happy do sa ginawa ng ng Udena, ng China Bank, or whatever. But, okay, why it could be bad for the PSE? In an article posted in the Inquirer, I'll put a link in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. President Monzon outright admitted they were powerless to prevent the share issuer from scuttling the deal. So, the company acted in bad faith. The underwriter declined to fulfill their obligations. And then, dito na tayo na sa PSE na sasabihin sa atin na, hindi, powerless kami to prevent the share issuer from scuttling the deal eh. Okay, good job. So ngayon, paano na? So ang suggested nila na course of action is for the retailers or the smaller investors na magsumbong na lang essentially sa SEC. Now, I realize na we are bound by certain rules, by certain laws, and I'm sure, okay, until proven otherwise, na these entities, these corporations, these what have you, are acting within those parameters. Pero it really, 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 really leaves a bitter taste in your mouth kapag nakakarinig ka ng ganito diba? Kasi I am sure a lot of people were counting on the PSE to help protect them. To be told na they are, number 1, powerless, and number 2, magsumbong ka na lang sa iba. I realize hindi yun yung intent nung sinasabi niya, ha? Okay, I realize that there's a better way to interpret all of this, but to me, it just sounds so bad. Okay? It just sounds so bad na parang naguhugas kamay lang ang lahat. Which leads us to, before all of this, may rumors pa na yung dito may include sa PSEI. Diba? Siyempre, dahil sa nangyari ngayon, I would like to think na bumababa yung probability nun exponentially. Okay? But the fact na na-consider yung ganitong type of company na in the first place, dinefer na nga yung SRO, dinelay and whatever, tapos naging ganito, na may chance na ma-include pa sila sa PSEI, parang mali di ba? it just feels so wrong. I don't know about you guys. I'm just being honest here, okay? I'm still trying to stay positive, to not be very, very down and just badmouth everyone. But dito talaga, okay, between these two statements, may mali. Something needs to change, diba? Kung wala yung power sa PSE, then perhaps bago ulit mag-issue ng SROs in the future, then maybe kailangan meron muna magbago para ma-restore yung public confidence. They will need to work hard to restore confidence in the market after ng pangyayaring to. Diba? Even if sabihin natin you disregard everything I said, hindi, mali ka GT, kalokohan lang yan, they did everything they could, they did the right thing, whatever. Okay? I'm not going to argue with you kasi at the end of the day, hindi pa naman tapos yung drama eh. Pwede pa naman tong mag-turn around, mag-180 at umayos yung lahat. And syempre, that's what we're hoping for. Para lang clear ha, I am hoping for the best, lalo na para sa mga retail investors, sa mga smaller investors. Okay? But the PSE will need to work extra hard to restore confidence in the market after this unprecedented occurrence. Now, yung ibang mga katanungan na nag-arise from this drama, hindi pa po natin alam yung sagot. Kailan ba mai-refund yung pera? Paano yung nangyari ng price adjustment? Ano ang gagawin ng PSE? Ano ang gagawin ng company? Paano yung mga nagbenta ng shares, nakinig sila sa broker nila or something, or perhaps personal na research lang nila, binenta nila yung ibang shares nila in hopes na makakuha ng mas mura dito sa SRO, nasibak din yun. Diba? So marami pa po tayong unanswered questions, and you can rest assured kung may additional development pa, I'll let you guys know via an updated video, no? So guys, dito po nagtatapos yung video natin. I hope na may naidagdag to sa mga kaalaman nyo na or sa mga katanungan nyo tungkol sa drama na to. And as always guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood. I really appreciate it. Good luck and happy trading!